Hey guys, what's up? This is Jeff at Titans of CNC. I'm just getting ready to change out some coolant on one of our machines. I checked it with our refractometer and it was at 5, which Synergy 735 has a multiplier of 1.4, which brings it to a perfect 7%, which is great for running aluminum, which is what we're doing on this machine. So we're a little low, so I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with some more coolant at a perfect 7%. So here's a little note. Sometimes you'll notice that your coolant percentage is a little higher when you're checking with your refractometer. And that's simply because water evaporates and coolant does not. So your percentage will rise as the water leaves. Therefore, you will add the water back in with a lesser amount of coolant.